Welcome to La Quinta Inn Suites by Wyndham Fresno Northwest. Your comfortable and convenient stay in Fresno, California. Relax in our comfortable, non-smoking guest rooms featuring a mini refrigerator, microwave, work desk, ironing amenities, and coffee tea maker. Enjoy convenient hotel amenities including a free breakfast, fitness center, business center, seasonal outdoor pool, hot tub, and Wi-Fi. When it's time to explore, discover some of Fresno's best attractions nearby. Visit the unique California State University, Fresno Forestiere Underground Gardens, Island Waterpark, safe Mart Center is also easily accessible from the hotel. Visit our website at lqinnsuitesfresnonorthwest.com and start planning your stay today. For hotel booking, click the link in the video description below.